Hello ladies and gentlemen, all of you welcome. In this video, cashew chicken will be made with grape rice as a detailed recipe. 3 chicken legs, a bowl of cashews, 5 green peppers and 2 onions, half a lemon, some black pepper seeds, 4 garlic, thyme buds, demi glass sauce, chicken broth frozen, salt, cast iron grill pan for cooking, (1.5 cups of rice to make rice), 1.5 cups of water, oil and salt, dried mint and currants. First add rice and water in a container. Wait 20 minutes. Add water to the raisins. Prepare the chicken legs. Get rid of the excess pieces and remove the bones. You can use it on chicken breast, but I recommend leg for flavor. Peel and prepare the onions. Cut the tips of green peppers. Chop the onions, it will not be too thin and small. You can use very small seed bulbs instead. Cut the green peppers in half and chop in the same way. Rice wait 20 minutes, wash several times. Add into strainer. You can peel off with a pan, add oil for this, wait for it to warm up. Make your boiling water ready on the other stove when making rice. Add the rice to the heated oil without water and mix. Add salt after 5 minutes and add the raisins. Add dry mint and mix. Add boiling water after a total of 8 to 10 minutes, mix and close the lid. Turn off with low heat and after 8 to 10 minutes. First the chickens in the iron grill pan, the first cooking will be done. I recommend using such iron pans as it is flavorful and healthy. As you can see, this grid ceiling has a weight of about 4 kilograms. Let the grill pan heat for 5 minutes on the highest heat. Add the chicken after the iron grill warms up, wait 2 minutes. Do not add oil or spices to the chickens, it will be plain. Turn the other side of the chickens after 2 minutes. If you use such a casting pan, there may be a lot of smoke, there should be good ventilation. After 2 minutes, set the chickens aside and cook the other ingredients. Add some oil and cashews to a large Teflon pan. Add chopped onions, cook a little. Add chicken broth and lemon, remove the pan from the fire. Chop the garlic and grilled chicken. Chickens will become fully cooked with other ingredients. Add green peppers and chickens. Add some pepper and thyme buds. Add salt. Prepare a bowl of demi glass and a mixture of water, add. It will be enough to boil for 5 minutes. Chicken dish is prepared and mix the rice and add it to a wide plate. Leave the middle empty and there will be a chicken meal. I like cashews, I like chicken leg. I think both of them have been a pleasant meal. I could also say that it is very harmonious with grape rice. The amount of this meal was enough for 4 people. You can make great flavor. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. See you in a new video. Goodbye.